Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review a new milkshake that's in the market, that is from Britannia. So guys, this is the Britannia Winkin Cow chocolate milkshake. So this is a thick shake from Britannia Winkin Cow. So Winkin Cow is a new product in the market from Britannia, and it's in the milkshake business. So let's go ahead and review this product from Britannia today. This is the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake, Chocolicious thickshake. So this is a chocolate flavored milkshake here from Winkin Cow. Let's look at the packaging of the product. It comes in a tetra pack. So this is a 200 ml tetra pack from Britannia, and so let's look at the packaging. So first of all, it comes in a tetra pack, like I told you. Right on top we have the Britannia branding here. Then we have the Winkin Cow branding and the Winkin Cow logo on it. There's a cow logo here. Then it says the flavor is Chocolicious thickshake. So this is chocolate flavored, and it's a 100% vegetarian product. So there's a vegetarian mark here. So it's a 100% vegetarian product with a vegetarian mark here. And here we get a straw. Along with this packet you get a straw to drink the milkshake. On this side here they are mentioning the nutritional facts. So per 100 ml of this product gives a energy of 118 calories. It has 3.3 grams of protein and 18.3 grams of carbohydrates. There's 3.6 grams of fat and 110 milligrams of calcium in it. So the net quantity, like I told you, is 200 ml, and it is priced at Rs 35. So the Winkin Cow, Britannia Winkin Cow milkshake is priced at Rs 35. This is the chocolate flavor. There are 3 other flavors available, like vanilla, there is mango, and the strawberry as well. So we will be reviewing those flavors as well in the upcoming videos, but for today we are reviewing the Winkin Cow chocolate flavor. So this was about the packaging of the product. And so yeah, so here you can see that the MRP is given, which is Rs 35, and the packaging date is here 2nd March. Shake well before use is written here. And let's look at the shelf life of the product. Is there any shelf life given here? So yeah, the shelf life of the product is 270 days from packaging. Right, so it has a good shelf life. It is priced at Rs 35, which is good enough. And yeah, the overall packaging looks good. It comes in a tetra pack, keeping it safe and hygienic. So let's go ahead and do the taste test of the Britannia Winkin Cow Chocolicious thickshake. So here is the straw. Let me open up the straw first. So here we go. Here we got a straw here, and this is the Britannia milkshake, and here we go. It's nice and thick. It has a very good chocolate flavor to it. Very yummy taste, very chocolicious, and it's nice and thick. It's not like watery milkshake. It is a nice and thick shake. So like the name suggests, it's a thick shake. It is actually a thick shake. One of the best milkshakes, packaged milkshakes that I've tasted. I've tried out Hershey's and stuff, but I think Britannia Winkin Cow is matching up the standards of the brand like Hershey's. So this is a very nice product in the market. Good competition to Caverns and Hershey's. So yeah, this is the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake chocolate flavor, and it is priced at Rs 35 for 200 ml. So which is very competitively priced comparing the prices of Hershey's and Caverns. And yeah, so overall I like the packaging of the product. It comes in a tetra pack like any other brand. Secondly, it has a very nice flavor to it. It has a very chocolatey flavor to it. Thirdly, it is nice and thick. It's not thin like water, so it is nice and thick, which gives you that creamy taste in the mouth when you have it. So overall I like this product, so I'll give it a 5 on 5 in the milkshake sector. So guys, this was my review about the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake chocolate flavor. Do let me know your views on the same in the comment section below. Guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.